Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mohapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how do you create a new VM from the machine image. Apart from this, I'll show you in the lab how do you create a new VM from the machine image using CLI command. Let's get started. I'll guide you how do you create a new VM from the machine image. As you can see here, all the steps as I mentioned here, you can go through the same step to create a new VM from the machine image. And as I mentioned here also the GCP CLI command, and this is the simple command to create a new VM or Linux server using your existing machine image. In this lab, I'll show you can we create a new VM from the machine image. Can you create a new VM in different regions and zones using the machine image? Because guys, the existing machine image is created a specific regions and zone. I'll show you in the lab. I'll select the different regions and zones. Then we'll verify can we create a new VM or not. Can we create a new VM and change the OS image using the machine image? Let's switch to the GCP console web portal page. Guys, as you can see here, this is the Compute Engine web portal page, and one of the existing Linux server is available now here, and the status is running. Now guys, I'll show you how do you create a new VM from an machine image. Then first of all guys, click on machine image here. Then you'll navigate to the machine image web page here as you can see here. Then select any one of the machine image. Then guys, create a new VM. For an example, I'll select here the second image stop. As you can see here, the name of the machine image. Then you can click on three button here, and as you can see here, one option is available, create instance. Click on create instance here. Then it switch to the create instance web page. Then guys, you can change the name of the existing image name if you want to change here, or if you want to change the option whatever you want based on your requirement. But in the first lab guys, I'll show you here now how do you create a new VM from a machine image. As you can see here, the name of the Linux server, as you can see here, the second image stop here. Then I'll create here now and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here guys, the second image stop one is created here now. Click on refresh. As you can see here, the second image stop new Linux server is successfully created here. I hope so. Now you can understand how do you create a new Linux server from machine image. Guys, in the second lab, I'll show you can we create a new VM with different region and zone from a existing machine image. First of all guys, you can select one of the machine image here. If you have a multiple machine image, based on your requirement guys, you can select your desired machine image in your project. I have two machine image here, so that I'll select any one of the machine image here. Second image stop I'll select here, then click on action button here, then click on create instance. Guys, as you can see here, the name of the machine image stop to, or if you want to change the machine image, then you can change stop second Linux server and change the region here. like Asia specific, I'll select here Mumbai. Then scroll down. Then one error is available here guys, as you can see here, boot disk error. Click on change to fix it. Select as Debian here, then click on select here. Guys, as you can see here, there is no error here now. Then click on create. Before I'll click on create button here, I'll show you again. I selected as the different region and zone here. As you can see here, there's Asia South 1, Mumbai, and Asia South 1 zone here. And I changed the name of the Linux server as second Linux server here. I changed the image as Debian here, as you can see here. Then I leave as it is all the field. Then click on create button here and wait a couple of seconds to create the new Linux server. As you can see here, the second Linux server is creating now here. Click on refresh. Guys, as you can see here, the second Linux server is successfully created here. Guys, now I'll guide you how do you create a new VM from a machine image using the GCP CLI command. Guys, as you can see here, this is the simple GCP CLI command. As you can see here, the gcloud compute instance create CLI new Linux server. This is the name of the Linux server, and I selected a zone as US Central 1C, and this is the name of the existing machine image name. Then guys, you press enter and wait a couple of seconds. Now you navigate to the compute engine web portal, then click on refresh. As you can see here, the CLI new Linux server is successfully created now, and this is the output of the CLI command. The name of the Linux server is CLI new Linux server and status as showing as running. Now guys, I hope so you understand. This is a simple CLI command to create a new VM from a machine image. Now guys, I hope so you understand. Can we create a new VM from the machine image? Yes. Can we create a new VM in different regions and zones using the machine image? Can we create a new VM and change the OS image using the machine image? Guys, both questions are answer is yes, because guys, as you can saw the lab, when I change the regions and zone, then automatically one error pop-up will appear, because if you select the same machine image and same region and zone, there is no error. But if you select a different region and zone, then you can change the machine image based on your project requirement. Guys, now I hope so you understand it. Guys, see you in the next session. Thank you and have a great day.